Hey guys, as you know, I just got a 2023 ZX10R. I am in the process of building it into a full-on race bike, and I've been gathering a ton of parts, and I actually wanted to bring you guys along with the build as much as I can. This year, I partnered with WOODCRAFT to help me with this build, and I've used WOODCRAFT parts for a number of years on my previous race bike, the ZX10R. And I'm happy to be able to partner with them and grab a whole bunch of parts to be part of this build. I just love the quality of their parts, the extensive catalog of stuff that they have, and since I crash quite a bit, super easy to get spare parts. So I wanted to kick this build off with the shipment that I got from WOODCRAFT and a whole bunch of parts. So here we go. First things first, you gotta start off the build with spools. You need some spools to get it on the rear stand, so this was one of the first things I had to order. I got their hand guards, so you'll see that I got both, left and right. I typically use a brake guard on the right hand side, but I figured let's create some symmetry on this race bike, so I have it for the clutch side as well. I got a key switch eliminator, so like many race bikes, save some of that weight from the ignition to the key ignition, get that out. Of course, some protection. I got frame sliders. I got the domed version. So you'll see that it's domed here. So this should help a little bit with glancing off and prevent rollovers. So I know frame sliders are a point of contention between other racers. So I'm in the camp of having frame sliders. Other people don't like using frame sliders because it has a tendency to flip the bike. I think this set of frame sliders is kind of a best of both worlds scenario where you still have the protection, but also with the domed side of things, it should prevent that from happening. I always put frame sliders on my bike, but to each their own. Let me know what your thoughts are on frame sliders. Put it in the comments below. Next up, another box here. Toe guard kit. So many racing organizations will require this. It is a toe guard. Nice large plastic piece. Get that installed on the swing arm. Another box here. And we have the right hand side ignition trigger cover assembly with skid plate. So this is a quality WOODCRAFT piece right here. So it's basically your engine case guards. This thing is solid, really nice. And of course, I got the skid plate in green. So get that nice Kawasaki green in there. The cool thing about this is that it comes with all of the hardware, not just the cover. It also comes with a gasket as well. So you don't have to worry about replacing gaskets and things like that. Comes with it right in the box. The other piece, this would be your left hand side, so the matching side as well. Again, very quality right here. So you can see that. Interestingly enough, this one came installed with a slider already in black, but they also included the green one for me right there. So good stuff. Thanks, WOODCRAFT. But of course we'll get the green one in. Get that Kawasaki green in there. I got some bar end sliders. Hopefully you see see that. These are the non-weighted ones. So I just wanted a basic set of bar end sliders to go in with the clip-ons, which you'll probably see next. But yeah, non-weighted ones. You don't want the extra weight on a race bike. And since I showed you those bar end sliders, we have these clip-ons. So really love these WOODCRAFT clip-ons. These ones I ordered are actually the 0 offset ones. So here are the offset bars. The reason I got the 0 offset ones is I am a shorter guy, and riding these relatively larger super bikes, especially when you add a tank extender, the reach becomes really far with your standard aftermarket clip-ons. So with the 0 offset, it brings it a little bit closer. So it works with my ergonomics, so 0 offset clip-ons. I got some mirror block-off plates. Also a camera mount for the GoPro, or in my case, an Insta360. Actually, I'll open this up right now. Of course, I do want to film my time on the track, so you can come along for the ride there. But yeah, pretty nice little pieces for the camera. Mirror block-off plate. I also have a Kickstand eliminator switch or plug. You guys can probably just splice the wires together, but I just don't want to mess with that. So quick and easy, cheap part, just get it done. Last but not the least, the biggest box here. It is the rear sets, the set of rear sets. I love how they package this up in a nice exploded view. Really, really nice. Really love the quality pieces here. I also got the fixed pedal, not the folding one. I usually get the folding one, but this time around I want to try the fixed one, see how that feels. Hey, if I crash I can always replace it, right? But yeah, see how that goes. And very nice, I got the foot peg plugs included. I forgot to order those, but happy they came in this package. So there you go. Rear sets and everything else. We'll get these installed soon, and we'll catch you on the next video. Stay tuned for more. Take care. Bye.